Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Hacker Witch. Today I'm going over the Python wrangling problem from PicoCTF. PicoCTF is a beginner-friendly capture the flag competition where you can practice your cybersecurity skills at all times of the year. If you haven't heard of it, definitely check it out. It is well worth your time. So with that said, let's dive into today's problem. The description says, Python scripts are invoked kind of like programs in the terminal. Can you run this Python script using this password to get the flag? And if I hover over these links, I see 3 different files. If I wanted to, I could just click on them to pull them down. But let's use wget to do that for us. Wget, and then let's right click this. And I'm going to hold Control-Shift-V, and it'll pull it down. And I'm going to repeat that process for all 3 files. And now that we have all of our files, let's move them into a directory where we can use them. As expected, we have 1 Python file and 2 ASCII files. Let's take a look at these ASCII files, see if we can get any meaning from them right now. I'm going to start with the flag file. I'm going to use the cat command to show us what is inside of that. It looks like we have an encoded string here. And let's see what password.txt has. Here we have an MD5 encoded string. To analyze our Python file, I'm going to use my favorite tool, Vim, to take a look at what's inside. We have our imports here. We have system, base64, and Fernet. Fernet is a cryptography library most often used with symmetric key encryption. So I suspect we're going to see some of that as we go through this file. To use it, we do Python 3, the name of the file, a flag, it looks like this might be encrypt and this might be decrypt, and our file, which I'm assuming is going to be flag.en.txt. Scrolling down, we see 2 functions, one for encryption and one for decryption. There is also an optional argument that we can pass to the system that is going to be a password. That password is then taken and base64 encoded and saved as this variable right here. And this is passed as a key to Fernet, which is then used to decrypt the data in the file that we passed it. So this looks pretty simple. If we do Python 3, our file, decrypt, and then flag.txt, and let's also pass it password.txt, we will be able to get our flag. And just like that, we have the flag for Python wrangling. Cool, our flag was correct and we earned 10 points. And with that, we are at the end of our video. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a like, and if you want to see more content from me in the future, please hit that subscribe button. Each and every one of you really does make such a big difference. So have a great day, and as always, happy hacking!